What's going on, family? Welcome to Discover Flavor. Today, we'll be making Alfredo, but with a twist. First off, I'll be making my Alfredo sauce from scratch, and I strongly feel that you should at some point make your own at home. Let the jars go. So we got some ground beef here. I had to defrost it because I stockpiled some meat since the social distancing lockdown. So we're gonna go ahead and brown that. We're gonna hit it with some garlic powder, followed by some onion powder and some freshly ground black pepper. And we're gonna get that nice and brown for you guys. Got the heat up pretty high. So now that we've browned out our meat, we're gonna go ahead and set this to the side actually. Okay? Because we gotta prepare the Alfredo sauce. So that's coming next. Y'all know what this is. This is the game changer for that Alfredo sauce. You get your 3 cloves of garlic because they're gonna go right into it. All right, and we're gonna start off with 2 cups of heavy cream. All right, and you can actually mix and match these ingredients however you may. Got our butter, unsalted whipped butter. Okay, add more cream if you want more sauce. Add more butter, things of that nature. So you can fine tune and tweak this to your liking. All right, and we're just gonna constantly stir this heavy cream and butter mixture until it starts to thicken up. I got it on medium high heat. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and press the garlic. Get that garlic pressed out there, and we're gonna add the aged Gouda. Okay, some people put Parmesan. I like the flavor of the aged Gouda. I use Parmesan in mine sometimes, Parmesan and Romano. Okay, but make it your own. As always, make it your own. All right, so look at that beautiful Alfredo sauce. Garlicky Alfredo sauce right there. So we're gonna stir that till it's nice and thick, until we get this consistency right here. I go ahead and cut the heat off, and we have our cooked spaghetti. We're not using Alfredo fettuccine noodles. We're using angel hair pasta. And we're gonna go ahead and put the meat right on top. And we're gonna spoon in all this delicious Alfredo sauce. Okay. So we're gonna give that a good mix. And if you like what you see, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. Flavorful. This stuff is delicious. And it's a stretch meal, so guess what? You can eat some now and you'll have leftovers for days. Okay? Especially during these times. A lot of the meals that I want to prepare for you guys, for your family, is stretch meals. Okay? Now we're gonna add our broccoli later. I don't like for it to get mushed up. So I like to add it later. And I cook it till it's not mushy. It still has some bite to it. Okay? And of course, I season the broccoli. Everything's seasoned. So everything has its layer of flavor. Not necessarily with salt. I'm gonna go ahead and plate it up. I already fed the family. Now it's time to make my plate. Get a few more pieces of broccoli on there. And family, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications. Drop me a like. And leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. We're gonna grate some more freshly grated Gouda. Aged Gouda cheese on there. And there you have it, family. A quick, simple, and easy Alfredo from scratch with ground beef and broccoli. Bon appetit.